At Elite Wellness and Anti-Aging, we understand our patients are looking for affordable therapies to remain young, recover quickly, and fight the effects of aging. CJC 1295 is exactly what you need if you have similar goals. CJC 1295 is a peptide that is naturally occurring and helps the body produce more human growth hormone, or IGF-1. This is vital because it helps our bodies grow and repair themselves. When we are younger, our bodies produce a lot of human growth hormones. However, as we age, we produce less and less. By the time we are in our 30s, it can almost be non-existent. CJC 1295 works by stimulating the pituitary to produce human growth hormone at very natural levels that help you recover and heal the way that you did when you were in your 20s. Additionally, patients can remain leaner and more physically fit if this is added to their regimen. Click Add to Cart now to get started. Our doctor will review your medical records and process your request. Medication ships directly to your door within 72 hours. If you are not yet a patient at Elite Wellness and Anti-Aging, visit hormonetherapyntx.com and click on Book Appointment. Our office is in Salina, Texas on Preston Road. You will need lab work and a physical consultation once every 6 months.